team, Claire here from My Mortgage, just wanting to do a wee update for you for the end of March 2023. So at the moment, the big question on many people's lips is what's going to happen with interest rates, and it's really important to consider your situation when it comes to choosing interest rates. A lot of people at the moment are rolling off a 2.5% or 3.5% rate, which they secured a couple of years ago, and they're going, oh, it's going to be challenging to meet those repayments on a 6.5% interest rate, which is kind of what's being offered across most of the mainstream banks at the moment, with some discounts here and there that we're able to secure. So really important if you're coming up to refix in the next few months is to get independent advice. So have a chat with one of us or a broker around what is best for your situation, where you should be looking to fix, perhaps a bit of a restructure of what you've got going on at the moment, and also considering whether there is a refinance option out there that might be better for you and your situation heading into meeting your financial goals this year. Overall though, banks are actually doing pretty well in terms of loan volumes. They are down a wee bit, which means that they're competing for business, and that's actually really good for you as the customer. So looking at a couple of different options is what we do every day, and it's really important, I think, to get those options in place because you don't know what's out there if you haven't looked. So really important from our perspective to do that for people. Overall, we're seeing really good turnarounds from the banks, which is making real estate agents happy because we can have slightly shorter finance clauses and get more across the line quicker. If you're a first home buyer, it's a bloody awesome time to buy. Property is a little bit cheaper at the moment, and yes, while you might have to take a little bit of short-term pain on rates, it's actually really good value, and most properties that are on the market in that first home buyer space, most of the vendors are quite realistic about price, which is awesome. So really couldn't be a better time to buy, and talk to us about whether or not you're eligible for some of the first home grant schemes and first home loan and KiwiSaver for your first home purchase. If you're out there as a parent thinking, oh, how do I help my child into their first home, definitely have a chat to us. There's a heap of different ways to do so, and we're getting a lot of those queries across our desks at the moment as well. Largely, please reach out if you've got any questions. Even if we're not your current brokers, we'd love to work with you, and it'd be awesome to have a chat with you about your situation. You can jump on our contact us page, mymortgage.co.nz/contact, book in a call with me or one of the other advisors, and we'll be more than happy to help. Talk soon.